as gardeners, we love to use compost in our gardens to make our plants healthy. Well, we're going to get some information about compost. I'm with Jeff Grimm from Grimm's Fuel, and so Jeff, in the news we've been hearing maybe some compost from some places have been compromised. So if you can tell us about that.
Sure. They've indicated in the news articles it's a clopyralid toxicity that's causing the problems in vegetables, and mostly vegetables, I guess. But it's clopyralid is a broadleaf weed killer that's mostly used in eastern Oregon for control of broadleaf weeds in pastures, wheat fields, stuff like that. And it's persistent in that it doesn't break down in compost piles, or when it passes through an animal, like they'll use the hay for animal feed, and it passes through the animal as it's just a long-lasting herbicide.
And so this company had gotten tested and they had one bad test and it made the news. So how does that affect your business? I know that you put this facility in, amazing facility, plus you probably test all the time.
Oh yeah, this first appeared 20 years ago. We first heard about clopyralid, and after a lot of testing and hand-wringing, it was determined that it's more of an Eastern Oregon problem, but there's no clear clopyralid that's used on this side of the mountain, except maybe in commercial golf courses and stuff like that. We've done bioassays for the last 20 years. Every month we take compost samples and we put sensitive weed seeds in, or not weed seeds, vegetable seeds in there, and then an independent lab tests for the germination rate and the veracity of the seeds. They want to know how well they're growing. And so that's how they determine if you have herbicide toxicities. Our last test showed 100% germination and 107% veracity for the seeds.
Wow, so when we buy from Grimm's Fuel, the compost or any kind of your products, we know that they're clean because you guys stay at it.
Yeah, we don't import stuff from Eastern Oregon. So I think where you get in trouble is if you're bringing in manures or compost from Eastern Oregon and using those in your gardens.
And so when we can contact you, you have all this information on your website?
Sure.
Yeah, and you have a blog, you have Facebook, and you even have a newsletter that we can subscribe to.
We do.
So really, you can trust Grimm's Fuel, all of their compost products, and really have a good product for your garden. So if you have any questions, please go to the Garden Time website, and you can click over to the Grimm's Fuel website and get all of that information. Jeff, thanks so much.
Thanks for coming.